Jackie Robinson's story film, but this version has heart. Go see it. That is a quote, all of it, from Gene Simmons. Robinson made his major league debut 66 years ago on April 15th. In fact, yesterday, Jackie Robinson Day, where most teams were wearing the number 42, with the exception of the Rockies and Mets. They were snowed out. For the latest music headlines, check out the front page of our website at 1079thebear.com.
From the 1079 The Bear newsroom, it's today's news now.
Shocking snow totals. And after at least 3 people were killed, dozens more injured in the explosions during the Boston Marathon yesterday. Danny Absher predicts runners still going to be very enthusiastic about marathons, but security is going to be tight.
I don't know. Runners are just so friendly and, don't have a grudge with anyone, and it's very concerning that something like this would happen in such a great city and such a great running city and such a great event.
Absher is with Newton running in Boulder. He was texting a friend who was running in the event yesterday. The friend describing the carnage at the finish line after those bombs went off.
Concessions and more. The event is free and open to everyone, so bring your family. For more information, visit fcgov.com/north. Heights in the Park is sponsored by Fork Fund, Kiss FM, Big Country 97.9, Hobbytown USA, and Benjamin Franklin Plumbing.
It's morning time with Doc on Northern Colorado's Classic Rock 1079 The Bear.